Hello students, now we will start chapter number 9, a rational number. In that, today we will start introduction of the chapter. So, the name of the chapter is rational number. So, first question comes in our mind that what is rational number? So, rational number means a numbers that can be expressed in the form of p upon q are called rational numbers, where p and q are integers and q does not equal to 0. That means the numbers which can be expressed in the form of p upon q, where p is our numerator and q is our denominator. The number which can be expressed in the form of p upon q are called rational number, and where both this p and q are integer, and another condition is that q does not equal to 0. For that, for example, all the integers like we studied 2, 5, 1, or we can say 7, all these are rational number because this 2 is our numerator. In denominator, if nothing is there, so I can write down this number as a 1, that we know. Similarly, this 5 is there, so I can write down this 5 as a 5 upon 1. Similarly, the fractions which we studied in our previous standards, that also are even in our second chapter, like 2 upon 3, 3 upon 9, 5 upon 4. All these are rational numbers. But in that, for example, 0 is also rational number. 0 upon 1 we can write, but we can't write 1 upon 0 because here it is clearly mentioned where q does not equal to 0. And why we can't write 1 upon 0? Regarding that, we already discussed about this in brief in our live session. So the thing is that the number which can be expressed in the form of p upon q are called rational numbers, where p and q both are integers. So in this chapter, the first topic is there, that is rational number or on number line, then rational number between two rational numbers, and many topics are there. Before that, we have to study about what is the reduced form, or we can say simplest form, lowest form. So what is this simplest form, lowest form? So for example, this 6 upon 4 is there. So 6 upon 4, we can write down this as a 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. We can't cut further this. So this 3 upon 2 is the lowest form for this rational number. Similarly, or we can say simplest form and reduced form, or this is also called standard form. We have to divide the particular rational number, or we have to cut till we can cut. Then for example, 50 upon 75. So 50 upon 75 both are divisible with 5. So we can try this, that 25 5s are 75, 5 10s are 50. Again, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So 2 upon 5 is the simplest form for this number. And not only positive numbers, also negative numbers are also can be rational number, like, because here it is clearly mentioned p and q are integers. So integers means, as we studied in our first chapter, negative terms, this whole numbers all are integers. So we can also write this as minus 3 upon 4, this is also rational number, minus 9 upon 2, minus 10 upon 5, all these numbers are also rational numbers. And reduced form, for example, this will be 5 2s are 10, so 2 upon 1. So all these are rational number, and this is how we can calculate simplest form or standard form. Now the next topic is there, which is equivalent rational number. So what are the equivalent rational number? A rational number can be written with different numerators and denominators. For example, we can say that minus 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon 3, we can also write this number as a, for example, here I need denominator 6. So for that, what I can do, if I am multiplying 3 with 2, so I have to also multiply numerator with 2. This is the rule which we studied even in during fraction, that if I am multiplying denominator with any number, so I have to also multiply numerator with that number with same sign. So for example, here I am multiplying this 3 with 2. So I have to also multiply this minus 2 with 2. So minus 2 2s are minus 4 upon 6. So this is the equivalent rational number, and if you will find the reduced form for this one, you will again get this one. Again we can, if you want to check, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So again you will get this minus 2 upon 3. The question can be there like this type of rational number can be given to you like 3 upon 6. Then we can say 2 upon 4, like 4 upon 8, 5 upon 10. So for example, find equivalent fraction for this one. So for that, what is the reduced form for this one? 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. So all the 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. The reduced form for all this is 1 upon 2. So this, all the rational numbers are, we can call this as the equivalent rational number because the reduced forms are same. Or we can say that by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, we obtain another rational number. Just as we done here, here we have multiplied this rational number with 2. So we obtain another rational number, this one 4 upon 6. This is exactly like obtaining equivalent rational number. So for example, in question, this type of numbers can be given to you and question be like find the equivalent rational number for that thing. So for that, what you can do, for example, this type of blanks are there, find the equivalent rational number. So here equality sign will be there because the reduced form for the both the numbers will be same as we have done here. So 5 upon 4. So here 4 is there and here in the one bracket 16 is given. So seeing this, we can clearly see that 16, how we will get 16 in the table of 4, 4 4s are 16. That means this 4 is multiplied by 4. So as I told you, if I am multiplying any number with any sign in denominator, then I have to also multiply that number with numerator. So here I will also multiply this 4 with 5. So 5 4s are 20. So here answer will be 20 upon 60. So from this we obtain another rational number. If you want to obtain another one, so we can take here another number. So if I am multiplying this with 5, so here I will get 20 and here 5 5s are 25. So this is how we can find equivalent rational number. Now the next topic is negative and positive rational numbers. So what is negative and positive rational numbers? So all this number like 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 9 upon 2, 6 upon 3, all these numbers are positive rational numbers. Similarly, all this number minus 2 upon 3, minus 4 upon 5, minus 9 upon 2, all these numbers are negative rational number because these numbers are having negative sign. So this is very simple. What are the positive and negative rational number? Now the next topic is rational number on number line. So that means how to represent any rational number on number line. So for that, for example, if I have to represent 3 upon 2 on number line. So for that, how can I represent this number on number line? Before that, on number line, on the right side there are positive numbers, on the left side there are negative numbers, and at middle 0 is there. That we all know. So now I have to represent 3 upon 2. So for that, 3 upon 2 is a positive number. So here somewhere here I will take 0. Now 3 upon 2, first we have to check 3 upon 2 lies between which number. So for that, here this 2 by 2. So this I can write down this 2 by 2 as a 1 because when I will write 2 by 2 I will get 2 ones are 2. So similarly, after 0 we all know 1 will be there, then 2 will be there. So what we have to do, how can we represent any rational number on number line? So for that, first we have to take scale, equal scale for the all rational numbers. So for example, here your scale is 1 centimeter. After 1, again you have to take 1 centimeter. Then this 0 to 1. So this 0 to 1, 1, I can write down this 1 as a 2 upon 2. That means I will get 1. So this 0 to 1 I have to divide into this, how much part? 2 parts. So this will be 1 upon 2 and this will be 2 upon 2. Similarly, after that the next number will be 3 upon 2 and this will be 4 upon 2 because 2 2s are 4. So this will be 2. So here I have to represent 3 upon 2. So here somewhere here I will highlight this point, or we can also represent like this, that this is our 3 upon 2, or you can also represent this numbers directly like this one is our 0, this one is 1 and this one is 2, and 3 upon 2 somewhere lies here. So you can also represent this type of method, or you can also use this method. You can directly represent this 2, but for your understanding you can use this method. Even you can also represent negative numbers. So for example, I have to represent minus 3 upon 2. So again, minus 3 upon 2, that means minus 1. Minus 2 upon 2, I will get minus 1. So here I will write down minus 1. Then the same one, minus 1 upon 2, this will be minus 2 upon 2, this will be minus 2 upon 2, and the next one will be minus 3 upon 2. So this will be our rational number. So this is how we have to represent rational number on number line, same as we have done for fractions. Now the most important topic of the chapter arrives, that is find the rational number between two numbers. How to find rational number between two numbers, rational numbers. Okay, how can we find rational number between two rational numbers? So for that, what we can do, so for example, we have to find rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 9 upon 4. So first of all, to find the rational number between these two numbers, what we have to do, here we can clearly see this, that both the denominators are different. So first we have to take LCM to make this denominator same. And how to take LCM, that we know. So first of all, because denominators are different, so we are not able to find rational numbers between them. So for that, the first step what we will do, that 3 upon 5 and 9 upon 4. So the LCM of 5 and 4 will be 20. So for that, so here I have to make denominator 20. So for that, what I will do, so for example, here to make this 20, what I will do, I will multiply this 5 with 4. But if I am multiplying this 5 with 4, I have to also multiply this 3 with 4, and here to convert this 4 into 20, I have to multiply this with 5. Similarly, I will multiply this 9 with 5. So 3 4s are 12 upon 20 and 9 5s are 45 upon 20. So 12 upon 20 and 45 upon 20. So now we can easily find the rational numbers between these two numbers, because 12 and 45, between that number of numbers lies like 13 upon 20, 14 upon 20, 15 upon 20, 16 upon 20 till 45 upon 20. We can find number of rational numbers. So for example, in some questions, many students are confused that, for example, here we will get amount of around 20 to 30 rational numbers, but we need more than that. So what we can do, we can take another number to multiply denominator. For example, with LCM 20, we are not getting the required answer. So what we can do, we can also do this thing, we can multiply this 20 with 10. But if here I am multiplying this 20 with 10, I have to also multiply this with 10. Then again here I will multiply both the sides with 10. So 12 upon 20, 10, I will get 120, and 20 into 10, I will get 200, and 450 upon 200. So you can also use this thing. And similarly, to find the rational number between two negative rational numbers. So how can I find rational numbers between negative rational numbers? For example, how to find rational numbers between minus 3 upon 5 and minus, or we can take this 7 upon 3. So to find the rational number between that, what we have to do, again we will use the same method. First we will take LCM. So LCM of 5 and 3 will be 15. So first of all, here to make this 5 into 50, I will multiply the numerator and denominator with 5, and similarly to convert this 3 into 15, I will multiply numerator and denominator with 5. So minus 3 upon 3, I will get minus 9 upon 15, and similarly 7 5s are 35 upon 15. So between minus 5, 9 upon 15 and 35 upon 15, we'll get minus 8 upon 15, minus 8 upon 15, minus 7 upon 15, like that 6, until that we can get number of rational numbers. So this is how we can find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Now moving to the next topic. This was the very simple topic, but to solve this topic you need to follow this basic method. Okay, and similarly another topic is there, that is comparison of rational number. So how can we compare? For example, question will like compare rational numbers. So for that, how can you compare rational numbers? For example, we have to compare 7 upon 5 and 5 upon 3. So how can I compare this number? So again, to compare this number, first of all, I can't compare this two number with this denominator. So first I have to take equal denominators. So for that I will take LCM. So LCM of 5 and 3 will be 15. So if I will take LCM as we have done here, so here I will get 7 3s are 21 upon 15 and 5 7s are 35 upon 15, because 3 5s are 15. So for that, now here after taking LCM we can clearly see that the greater number is 35. Now here the denominators are same, and between 21 and 35 greater number is 35 upon 15, or question will be like that, it will be 7 upon 5 and 5 upon 3, but 35 upon 15 is the value of 5 upon 3, so you can put the symbol. So this is how we have to compare rational numbers. Now these are the some things which we have already studied in the fraction. This is like same like fractions. Now we have to compare, but for comparing we need to make LCM, sorry, we need to make denominators same. For that we have to take LCMs. As we discussed during our live session, during our introduction, we have to follow all that method. Now the next topic is operation on rational numbers. So operation means here we have to do mathematical, or we can say arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So how to add any two rational numbers? So for example, if I have to do addition of 7 upon 3 plus 10 upon 3, so I can add this number as a 7 up plus 10 divided by 3, because here the denominator is same. So I can write down this as a 17 upon 3. But for example, question be like add 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3. So to add this number, what we have to do? Again the same method. As I told you, here the denominators are different, so here we will take LCM. So 2 upon 4, so first of all LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12. So how we will get 12 in the table of 4? By multiplying 3. So if I am multiplying denominator with 3, I have to also multiply numerator with 3. Similarly here I will multiply this 3 with 4 and this 1 with 4. So from there I will get 2 3s are 6 upon 12 plus 1 4s are 4 upon 12. Now here we got denominator same. Now we can add this numbers. So here we will get 10, or we can also include this step 6 upon 4, 6 plus 4 upon 12, and 6 plus 4 10 and upon 12. Now 10 upon 12, this is the answer, but here both are divisible with 2n, so we can find reduced form for this one, because we have to answer in reduced form. Always try to answer in reduced form or lowest form. So here this will be 5 2s are 2, sorry, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. So answer will be 5 upon 6. So this will be the final answer. Similarly, this was the positive rational number. So for example, this type of question can be there, that minus 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3. So again the process will remain same, but here this minus, this 6 will become minus. So minus 6 plus 4, minus plus minus, so it will be minus 2 upon 12. So again reduced form for this one will be 1, 2 6 are 12, so it will be minus 1 upon 6. So negative rational numbers are there or positive rational numbers are there. For addition you have to follow this method. Same for the subtraction. For example, same question we have to use for subtraction. So for that, what we can do, subtract. For example, question we like subtract 2 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. So again the same method we will follow. Here we have to, first we will take LCM. Here denominators are different. So for that, what we will do, here if I will take LCM, here I will get 6 upon 12 minus 4 upon 12. Here I already taken LCM. That's why here I am not taking. So 6 minus 4 I will get. Here you can add this step, 6 minus 4 upon 12. So 6 minus 4 you will get 2 upon 12. So 2 6 are 12. So answer will be 1 upon 2. Similarly, for example, minus 2 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. This type of question can be there. So here this 6 will become minus 6. Again this will become minus 6. Minus 6 minus 4. Minus minus plus and bigger number sign. So here it will become minus 6 minus 4. It will become minus 10 upon 12. So reduced form for that will be minus 5 upon 6. So this is how we have to add or subtract rational number as we were doing for the fraction. We will again also discuss this topic during our live session. Now another thing is also there, which is multiplication and division of rational number. How can we multiply two rational numbers? So for example, question be like 2 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 9. So for that, now for a multiplication we don't need to convert the denominator or we don't need to take LCM. Here we can directly multiply. So for example, 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 27, and reduced form for this will be 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So 2 upon 9, this is our final answer. Same for negative. For example, minus 3 upon 4 multiply by 2 upon 3. So again minus 3 2s are 6. So here it will become minus 6. 4 3s are 12. So 6 2s are 12. So here will be 1. So minus 1 upon 2 is our answer. So for a multiplication, we can directly multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And how can we divide two rational number? For example, divide 2 upon 3 with 3 upon 9. So for that, how can we divide? So for a division, there is a rule. For example, 2 upon 3. Now here 3 upon 9 is there. So here what we have to do in division, we have to take reciprocal. So reciprocal means numerator will be become denominator and denominator will be become numerator. So how to take reciprocal? So for example, 3 upon 9 is there. So reciprocal will be for this number will be 9 upon 3. For example, I have to find reciprocal of 4 upon 5. So reciprocal for this will be 5 upon 4. And many time questions can be there that find reciprocal. In some sums we have to take reciprocal of only integer will be given 5. So reciprocal for that will be 1 upon 5, because as we discussed in the beginning, 5 is there, so I can write down this as a 5 upon 1. So 2 upon 3, if I will take reciprocal, I will get 9 upon 3. Now here multiplication, and here I have to put multiplication sign. So if multiplication sign is there, now we know that now I can multiply this thing. Sorry, here it is 3. So 2 9s are 18 upon 3 3s are 9. So 9 2s are 18. So 2 will be answer. or we can say 2 upon 1. So this is how we have to divide rational numbers. Another sum which we can take, that 3 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 8. So again the first step we will be 3 upon 9 multiply by, because if I will take reciprocal I can put this sign, so here it will become 8 upon 2. So 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are, 9 2s are 18. So now we all know that 6 4s are 24 and 6 3s are 18. So 4 upon 3 will be an answer. So this is how we have to multiply, divide, add and subtract rational numbers. So to solve this sum you need to do just good practice and you will able to solve all these sums, and these sums are base for your upcoming standards too. So do this very carefully, and if you are having still any query or question regarding this, you can also ask me during our live session. So here we are completing the introduction of chapter. If you are having any query or doubt regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.